show you how to buy an Alpha Capital funded account. Alpha Capital offers funded accounts after you pass a challenge or evaluation. You should know that funded accounts are for real trading capital, so first, you must buy an evaluation account. Passing the evaluation unlocks the funded account and allows you to receive payouts. First, visit the official Alpha Capital website. Then, navigate to Get Funded or Pricing. Make sure you are on the official site to avoid any scams. Next, choose your account size. Alpha Capital offers multiple account tiers. Larger accounts cost more but offer higher payouts when funded. If you want multiple evaluation accounts, increase the quantity on checkout. Each account is independent, meaning you must pass them individually. This allows you to scale your potential profit. After that, enter your personal information such as your full name, email, and country. Then, choose your preferred payment method, apply any promo codes if available, and complete the payment. Once paid, you will receive an email containing your account login credentials, platform access MT5 or MT4, and the rules and risk settings. Now, before trading, make sure you understand the evaluation rules. You will have a profit target, for example, 10% of the account, a maximum daily loss such as 2%, a maximum total drawdown, for example 4%, minimum trading days required, and the allowed instruments and trading hours. Breaking any of these rules will result in instant failure. Then, log into MetaTrader or TradingView if supported. Start trading according to the account rules and monitor your drawdown and progress carefully. After you hit the profit target without violating any rules, your account will convert into a funded account. You are now eligible to withdraw profits. Go to your dashboard, then select withdrawals. Enter your payout methods such as bank, PayPal, Pioneer, or crypto and submit the request. Typically, the payout split is 70 to 80% to the trader and 20 to 30% to the firm. But check the current promotion for exact numbers. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.